Hey guys, today I'm going to help you figure out which dash cam you should buy for your car. Now, I'm going to categorize these into 4 categories and the usage that you might need it for. First of all, if you use your car just for commuting and stuff and you don't really care about the quality, you just want to make sure that you are in a safe hand, and you want to make sure that if somebody hits you, your insurance doesn't blame you for it, or stuff like that, just for safety. What you could do is you can buy a really cheap one, really budget friendly. You can get that off of Walmart or Amazon, maybe for like $10-20. And a lot of these cameras actually come with a sensor that if you leave your car overnight and it's turned off, it actually turns on if it detects any motion and stuff like that. Not motion, but like vibration, like somebody's trying to do something with the car, or somebody hits the car. So that's with that stuff. And a cheap one should also have that. Just make sure they do, so you're in a safe hand. If you're not parked inside your garage or something, if you're parked outside, you're still safe. Second type is gonna be a front-facing camera. Now, if you do care about quality and you want to make sure that if something happens and if somebody's running away, you get the license plate number on your dash cam, you want to pick up a high quality one, front-facing camera. So front-facing camera pretty much catches the more important stuff. Just like if somebody comes to the back of your car and keys it, it's not going to catch that. But if you're in a crash or something, you can at least like see what was going on and what happened, what led to it, stuff like that. So that's the front facing camera is the bare minimum you want to have. And then there are these that comes in a pair, like this one here. So for this dash cam, I have a whole video on it. It faces front and to the cabin. This is something that you guys want to have if you guys are doing Uber or customer pickup, anything that involves other people getting in your car and stuff like that. So you want to use that just so you're safe. If somebody tries to rob you, or somebody's doing something that they're not supposed to do, you can catch that on camera perfectly. And another thing I want to show you guys about this one, and this is the reason why I have a cabin facing camera, is because of this button here. Now, I don't think the other ones, brands have this, but this has a button. If I click it, it takes a picture in the cabin and in the front. So if you guys are going on a trip with friends and stuff, you want to take a quick selfie, you can press that button and take a quick selfie. And that's the only reason why I have a cabin facing camera. But if you guys do want to be really, really safe and get all the angles, you want to have the 3-way camera. And this is something that I also made a video on, and that one was a budget one, and I didn't actually keep it because it was kind of like, you would get license plates if you go really close to it, but if you're far away, you wouldn't get the license plate. So I did have an incident happen to me with having that camera, which I installed in my Camry, but I couldn't get any license plate or anything out of that. So yeah, that was pretty bad. But in the end of the day, we did catch whatever happened, all the things that happened at that situation, which was really good. And it, if anything to happen, we could have justified ourselves because this and this, right? But if you do want to have a 3-way camera, this is the reason you want to have it, because you want to see what's happening to the back if somebody's tailgating you or something like that. If you get in a crash, you can get that. The thing about back-facing camera is if that one also has a sensor, then if somebody's trying to go in through the back of your car or trying to steal something, or if somebody doesn't like your car and they try to scratch it or something, you still have that in footage, right? So that's to that. Now, the fourth category is really not a category, it's about the quality. Now, what kind of quality you want to have is, like I mentioned in the beginning, is the type of usage you want to have. Like for me, I like to make videos for you guys, and so if something does happen, I want to have it in a better quality, so I can show it to you guys and present in a better way. But if you don't care about that, if you just want to have it for your safety, you can get a really low quality one. And I'm telling you right now, as tech is getting cheaper and cheaper over time, you're gonna get really good cameras at budget prices. So make sure you do your research though, because some of these cameras aren't that good. For example, this one that I have in my car is pretty good. I really like it. It's like more than a year old. I got it when I got this car. and it's really good for what it does, but it's really slow when I download the footage on my phone. So like it goes in like 1, 2, or 3 minute increments of videos. I put it as 3, and it takes like 5 minutes if you want to download one of them. And to view the actual recordings over time, you would also have to download it to view it. So that's also annoying. Make sure you guys do the research before you buy one. So those are the 4 things that I really think you guys should consider in your mind before buying a dash cam. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.